99% of faceless YouTube channels fail to make even one single dollar. But then there are channels like these that make hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. What sets them apart? And how can you be like these channels? In this video, we're gonna talk about exactly that. You see, when it comes to making money from YouTube, most people are still shooting in the dark without ever realizing what strategies will actually work. After years of studying the most successful faceless YouTube channels on this planet, I've found the 4 proven methods that can put you in the same league as the top earners on YouTube if you start today. Starting with method number 1, YouTube AdSense revenue. This is really the only method that 99% of faceless YouTube channels consider: getting their channel monetized. And rightly so, it's reliable and you can make a solid monthly income. Check out these channels making tens of thousands of dollars per month from AdSense alone. But this should not be the only income that you rely on from your faceless YouTube channel. More on that shortly, but for now, how do you get your faceless YouTube channel monetized and start bringing in AdSense revenue? Well, to get into the YouTube Partnership Program, you need 500 subscribers and at least 3 videos uploaded in the last 90 days. In addition to this, you will need either 3,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months or 3 million YouTube Shorts views in the last 90 days. So how do you do this quickly? We've created an entire video on the fastest way to monetize your faceless YouTube channel, so make sure to go check that out and learn everything about speeding up this process. But here I'll quickly go over 7 actionable tips that will help you monetize your faceless YouTube channel 10 times faster. Number 1, choose a trending niche. Pick a niche with a large, low competition audience and overlap it with your knowledge. Avoid overcrowded or limited appeal niches. Number 2, create evergreen content that solves problems for viewers. Make videos that answer questions that your viewers have and touch on specific pain points that your target audience might have. To do this, you can research successful channels in your niche for inspiration, and you can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to help you with content ideas. Number 3, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly and stick to your niche to build a loyal audience. Consistently posting videos in your channel will help boost engagement, and it will help you with the YouTube algorithm. Number 4, leverage playlists and community engagement. Organize content into playlists to encourage binge watching. Engage with your audience through comments and YouTube community posts. Number 5, trend jacking. Combine trending topics with your niche to capture more viewers. Number 6, use shorts for more exposure. Use YouTube's remix feature to create shorts from popular video sections. Then you can link your long form videos to these shorts, driving more traffic to your long form content. Number 7, analyze and improve. Continuously improve your content by analyzing metrics like click-through rate, view time, and your viewer retention graphs. Double down on what's performing best. If you follow these 7 tips, you will grow your faceless YouTube channel 10 times faster than 99% of faceless channels out there. And you'll be monetized in no time. Once you're monetized, depending on your niche, the views you get, and the engagement on your videos, you can be making anywhere from $2 to potentially over $20 per 1,000 views for your average 10 to 15 minute long video. So if you're getting 1 million views per month, you could make anywhere from $2,000 to $20,000 per month. Imagine that. Now, if you haven't chosen your niche, we've created a video on the best niches for faceless YouTube channels in 2024. So I highly recommend you go check that out to find the best niches to make money. Now that you know how to monetize your faceless YouTube channel and do it quickly, this next method is crucial if you want to join the top 10% of highest earning faceless YouTube channels. Imagine if 1 view on your faceless YouTube video could make you around $250. That's exactly what you could be doing. On one of my old faceless YouTube channels in the personal finance niche, I mentioned Webull in a lot of my videos. It's a trading platform that was giving away 10 free stocks to anyone who signed up. From just mentioning it in 20 seconds in most of my videos, I drove 1,462 referrals and earned nearly 900 free stocks myself, some of which were worth hundreds of dollars. This earned me about $10,000, all for mentioning a product for 20 seconds in about 30 videos. This is method number 2, affiliate marketing. And it's one of the easiest ways and most profitable ways to monetize your faceless YouTube channel. Even with a small, engaged audience, you could start earning money by recommending products or services your viewers already want. It doesn't have to feel like a hard sell. Just naturally mention tools that you use or products that solve problems for your audience in your videos. There are affiliate programs for almost every niche. Whether you focus on tech, animals, education, you can find programs that match your content. So how do you get started with affiliate marketing, and how do you make a ton of money with it? Well, there are two ways that you can get started. Number one is you go to a product or service website that you already like, use, and that aligns with your target audience. Now, usually when you go to these websites, you can scroll to the bottom of the site and there's an option to sign up as an affiliate if they have an affiliate program. Number two is you go to an affiliate marketing platform and sign up as a creator. Here are some of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms that popular faceless YouTube channels use. Now, once you're approved for an affiliate program, it's time to strategically integrate the product or service into your videos. And every time a viewer clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Sometimes a small amount, but in many cases, it can be quite significant depending on what the product or service is, which brings me to the two ways that you can make a ton of money with affiliate marketing in your videos. Number one, pick high commission products. There are products out there that will earn you $100 or more for one sale. So focus on these products. Number two, pick products with recurring commissions. So even if the commission is a small amount, it will still exponentially increase over time. This means even if you get a $15 commission for a sale of a product, every month that $15 will come in consistently. So if you drive 100 sales, that's an extra $1,500 that you would make every single month for no extra work. VidSociety is a great faceless YouTube channel that does this extremely well. In this video titled How to Build a Website with ChatGPT and AI WiseMind tutorial, in the video description, there's a link to AI WiseMind, which is an AI tool that builds you a full website in less than 10 minutes. And if you look at the affiliate page for this AI tool, VidSociety makes up to 35% monthly recurring commissions, which is $103.95 every month for every person that he refers. As this one video gains more and more views over time, his affiliate links continue to generate sales even while he's sleeping. So you can see how over time this can turn into a consistent and scalable revenue source for your faceless YouTube channel, earning you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars per month. But this next method to making money with your faceless YouTube channel is how you turn it into a real business, potentially generating life-changing money. Let me explain. A lot of people are familiar with 10x Income on YouTube. It's a faceless YouTube channel that's blown up in the last year. It's earned 12.2 million views at a low average of $5 per thousand views. This would mean 10x Income has earned over $60,000 in AdSense revenue in the last year. And honestly, it's probably more than that because it's in the make money online niche. But what people might not realize about this channel is that in the description of all of the videos, there's a link to his store where he sells digital products. SimilarWeb shows that this store gets 4,425 visitors per month, which probably generates hundreds of sales. And this is method number three, selling digital products or creating an online course. Doing this allows you to scale your earnings exponentially. Why? Because you're creating something of value that you can sell to your audience and they can directly purchase from you. Instead of those 20% or 30% commissions from affiliate offers, you'll get 100% of the money coming in. Digital products can be anything from downloadable guides, templates, ebooks, or even exclusive content like in-depth tutorials or resources that complement your videos. For example, if you have a faceless channel that focuses on personal development, there's a wide variety of digital products that you could offer. Let's say your content is centered around helping people build better habits. You could start with an ebook, something like 30 Days to Better Habits, a step-by-step guide. This guide could include daily actions, motivational tips, and strategies for overcoming common obstacles to personal growth. You could then add in a downloadable productivity planner that goes along with the ebook. You could then bundle these products to create an even better offer. Let's call it the Personal Development Toolkit. That includes the ebook, the productivity planner, and an exclusive video series or a mini course that walks people through how to implement the techniques from your ebook into their daily lives. This would allow you to price the bundle at a higher rate. You could sell the ebook and productivity planner for $20 each and then the course bundle for $200. If you have an audience of 10,000 people and even 1% buy the bundle, that's an extra $2,000 that you would make. All you would have to do is mention the bundle strategically in your videos and it will drive sales. Once it's created, it could be sold indefinitely, giving you a passive income stream that grows as your audience grows. So now you have a monetized channel, you're making money from affiliate marketing, and you have your own digital products or courses. This is a real revenue generating business. But this next money-making method is one that allows you to make money before you even start creating your videos. Let me explain. What if I told you before putting this video out, this faceless YouTube channel earned $288,000? Check this out.
If you noticed, we said he invested regularly because consistency is super important when it comes to investing. However, consistency is only one small part of the big picture for your financial plan. Luckily for you, Facet is here to help with all of your financial planning needs, including investment management, saving you from the potential headache that can come along with the trial and error of DIY investing.
Now, my prediction is based on the industry average of $20 per 1,000 subscribers. It could have been more, it could have been less. But the point is that they made a ton of money before even putting the video out. This is method number 4, sponsorships. Sponsorships are where a brand will pay you a flat fee to mention their product or service in your video. This means that despite how your video performs, it could get 0 views. You get guaranteed money for creating it. As I mentioned before, on average, YouTube video sponsorships pay approximately $20 per 1,000 views. So even if your channel has 5,000 subscribers, you could be making $100 on average per video that you release. So how can you start getting sponsorships for your faceless YouTube videos? Well, number 1, align your content with relevant brands. Make sure your videos naturally fit with products or services in your niche. For example, if your channel is about fitness, create content that would appeal to health and wellness companies. Number 2, build an engaged audience. Focus on creating high-quality videos that drive engagement. Brands are looking for active and interested viewers, not just high subscriber counts. Number 3, reach 1,000 subscribers and a few thousand views. Once you've hit around 1,000 subscribers and have some videos with solid view counts, you'll be in a good position to start approaching potential sponsors. Number 4, craft a clear pitch. When reaching out to brands, make sure that your pitch includes audience demographics, that's who watches your channel, the ages, interests, etc. The niche relevance, why their product or service would be a perfect fit for your audience, a low starting rate, offer a competitive rate before getting started, as brands are more likely to work with smaller channels if the cost is low. Number 5, send out 20 to 30 outreach emails or DMs per day. Be proactive. Reach out to brands daily via email or social media DMs. The more you reach out, the more likely you are to catch a brand's attention. And number 6, build ongoing partnerships. As you start landing sponsorships and your channel grows, gradually increase your rates and focus on building long-term relationships with brands. Adding sponsorships into the mix allows you to take a legitimate faceless YouTube channel business and then potentially double, triple, or 5x its earnings. If your goal is making money with your faceless YouTube channel, the steps in this video are guaranteed to not only help you do that, but to help you do it better than 90% of faceless YouTube channels out there. But you'll never grow your channel to the point of making money if the topics of your videos are ones that no one's interested in watching. So how do you come up with faceless YouTube videos that are actually worth watching? Well, we spent months coming up with a foolproof process to find the best ideas for your faceless YouTube videos. And we've covered absolutely everything in this video. So if you don't want your efforts to go to waste and you actually want to blow up your faceless YouTube channel, then I highly encourage you go watch this video next, where we show you exactly how to pick video ideas that will actually get you views and increase your chances of going viral.